The characters of drama: Vicky, Vicky's father, and Robot. Vicky was a lazy boy. He never did his homework on time. He never kept his things back in the right place. He pleaded with his father to buy him a robot to do his work. Vicky's father wanted him to become an active boy, so he bought him a trick robot. Vicky did not know that it was a trick robot. He was glad to have a robot to do all his work.
Vicky, I have bought you a robot. This intelligent robot will do all your work. Enjoy.
Hi, I am a robot. My name is Chip.
Hi, I will test this robot. Sit, stand, answer, go, come, stop. Wow, what a beautiful robot. Thanks, Dad. It's okay, my dear, but use carefully. Okay, Dad. Okay, my dear, you take care of the robot. I go to work. Okay, Dad. Sit down. Let's make this robot do some work. Hey robot, I'm so hungry. Go and prepare some salad for me.
I do not eat salad, so I cannot make it.
What?
Yeah. Do you want me to strain my back? I cannot do that.
What? You are a robot? You cannot refuse me. Clean my room now.
Why don't you do that yourself? I must make some calls.
Really? I cannot believe this. At least charge my phone.
Sorry, I cannot do that.
How? I have a headache now. Get me a cup of hot tea.
My battery is draining. By listening to you. First you charge my battery.
I'm tired of you. Play me a pleasant song. I want to relax.
That's a great idea. Why don't you play me one?
Oh, this robot is totally fixed. What happened, my dear son? Oh no, Dad. Please sell this robot. It's totally useless.
Yes, this time please sell me to an active master. I don't want to work for lazy people.
Really? It's that why you did not help me?
Yes.
Oh no, I made a mistake. And if I continue to be lazy like this, no one will do what I tell them to do, and no one will respect my work. What, my dear? No more robots for me. I will do all the work myself. Yeah, good, my dear. This only I expected from you. Yes, Dad, I understood my mistake. I will never do this again, Dad. Okay, my dear.
From that day, Vicky became a very active boy and would do his work with himself.
விக்கி எதை சொன்னாலும் ரோபோ செய்யவில்லை. இதனால் ரோபோவின் செயல்களைக் கண்டு விக்கிக்கு கோபம் வந்தது. ரோபோவின் மீது கோபம் கொண்டாலும் தனது தவறை புரிந்து கொண்டு அன்று முதல் விக்கி மிகவும் சுறுசுறுப்பான சிறுவனாக மாறி தனது வேலையை தானே செய்து கொண்டார்.